how to withdraw money from Bitget to Pyypl. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account, and now from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. And after that, scroll down a little bit and tap on P2P option. Now, as you can see here, select the sale because we want to withdraw the money. Now, after that, select the token that you want to withdraw. For this example, it will be USDT. Now, set the limit by tapping on limit. Now, like 100, and tap on confirm. Now, from the top right corner, tap on USD to select your currency that you want to that you want to receive your money on. After that, to select your bank, tap on a method. And now if you don't see your bank here, just tap on search bar and type your bank name. In this case, it will be the Pyypl, like that. After you find it, now tap on it. And as you can see, select one of these merchants. After you tap on it, now tap on go to settings. After that, tap on the add to add your bank account. If you don't see your bank here, just tap on the search bar and search for it like that. As you can see, after you find it, now tap on it. And after that, provide the phone number of your bank. And now select or provide the remarks. After that, tap on confirm to add your bank. So after you add your Pyypl bank, now just go back as you can see here, and now tap here on sell to sell your token and withdraw your money. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to Pyypl. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.